Welcome to your ultimate guide on getting started with Dmail Network. If you've been wondering how to step into secure, decentralized communication in the Web3 space, you're in the perfect spot. Today, we're diving deep into what Dmail Network is, how it works, and why it's shaking up the way we connect online. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a blockchain pro, stick around. This is going to be a game changer. Let's jump right in. Dmail Network is a cutting-edge, blockchain-based platform that's transforming digital communication. Imagine sending encrypted emails tied to your wallet, owning your inbox as an NFT domain, and bridging the gap between traditional Web 2 tools and the decentralized Web 3 future, all powered by AI and blockchain tech. It's more than just an email service. It's a full-on ecosystem for privacy, digital asset management, and cross-chain messaging. For everyday users, it's about secure communication. For developers, it's an API playground. And for marketers, think targeted blockchain-verified campaigns. Dmail's versatility makes it a standout in the Web3 world, and it's built to evolve with the decentralized revolution. Let's walk through how to get started. It's super straightforward. First, head over to mail.dmail.ai. You'll need a Web3 wallet. MetaMask works great, but any compatible wallet will do. Connect it, then pick a network like B-Squared Haven Testnet for a smooth test run. Once you're logged in, snag yourself a free NFT domain. Just search for a cool name, say cryptofan.dmail. Check availability, pay a tiny gas fee, and bind it to your wallet. Boom, that's your new digital identity. Now hit the Compose button. Write your email, attach files if you want, and choose your recipient's network. Dmail supports cross-chain, so options like Ethereum or Polygon might pop up. Hit send, and your message is encrypted, stored on-chain, and delivered securely. It's fast, private, and honestly, kind of fun to use. I've been playing around with Dmail for a while now, and I'm hooked. Sending encrypted messages straight to wallet addresses feels like something out of a sci-fi movie. It's next-level cool. Owning my inbox as an NFT gives me this sense of control I never had with regular email. The interface? Clean, intuitive, and beginner-friendly, even if you're new to Web3. My favorite part is how it simplifies secure communication without bogging you down in tech jargon. It's practical, futuristic, and honestly, a blast to use. Now let's talk DMAIL, the token that fuels the ecosystem. You'll use it for email fees, staking to unlock perks, or grabbing premium features like custom domains or priority sending. Its value grows with adoption, and with Web3 gaining traction, think more users, more dApps, it's got serious potential. Keep an eye on this one. It's tied to a real utility in a booming space. There you have it. Dmail Network combines security, decentralization, and dead simple usability into one powerful package. Give it a shot at mail.dmail.ai and drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more Web3 breakdowns, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay decentralized, friends.